Assalamu alaikum, كيف حالك? أنا بحبك. Now today we've got ourselves a Balisong video. Oh, and it's gonna be on a loop that I made up. I don't know what to name this. Give me advice. But it looks like this. Here, let me just... Yeah. You could just keep on doing it over and over and over and over. Yeah, I think it's really nice. It's flashy. So, it's actually pretty simple. So you start off with a Zen rollover. So of course, holding this handle, the safe handle, that's what a Zen rollover is. I'm pretty sure you would know that. Then you just initiate. Watch out for the blade, it could bite you. And then once you're right here, you're gonna be holding it. Your thumb has to be right here, holding the bite handle, index, where the blade is. And you sort of just, almost like a helix, you throw it and let it just slide around your thumb. So you're going to be catching it like this. The spine, well, let me try to do that in slow motion. You're going to throw this. When it spins, you're going to let go, catch this handle, the safe handle. Catch that. This is going to go like this. And with that momentum, it's going to ricochet, and then it can give you momentum. You throw, it's going to come here. Okay. You're going to catch with all your 4 fingers on the safe handle. So then it comes. And when it's right here, you just come up around the thumb. Come up like that. Watch out for the blade. So you're going to have to sort of dip down to absorb that. And then once you're right here, you just index roll over. So Zen around the thumb, catching the safe handle. I think that's like the most complicated part out of all this. So around the thumb, right here, and then up around the thumb, and then finally index, and you're back to the safe handle. And this is why it's a loop, because then you could just keep doing it over and over and over. Yeah, I don't know what to name this trick, but hopefully the tutorial helped. It's one of my favorite tricks just to do when I'm messing around. So yeah, goodbye.